What's happening, Hardscapers? We're finishing up this project from last year at the StonePlace. Let's get into this. Here's the thing with this project. We have 6 days until snow, which means we need to finish this project, get it all in the ground, and have it completed before that snow comes. And that was, my game plan. Hopefully it works out. Day 7, which I bought. Well, we didn't get it done. We're back at this project to wrap things up. Polymeric sand's going in. We're cutting in the caps for the countertop, and we are gluing down all the other caps, and then we are wrapped up. So we gotta glue down this cap, all these caps. I am cutting in the granite countertop for this. We need to glue down those caps, glue down these caps. Once again, all these caps. And we've actually gone ahead and already done the walkway here. 2 steps in, walkway going down and out. And just like that, all the work that I did here many years ago has been replaced. This is replaced. My old work is done. My new work is in. 2 steps rolled into place. This walkway. Had to pressure wash this, and now we're ready to install the sand. Let's get the sand going. These are risky cuts. Expensive pieces here. Caps are in, cut. Now we just gotta glue everything and we're all finished. That is that wrapped up. Let's do a walkthrough. We've got some black granite going in here, but pillar caps glued, caps are glued, countertop is in. This looks beautiful. This is definitely my favorite color of black, and we muscled these into place. Luckily we got to use the forklift to put the big guys in, but these are all cut in nicely. That's glued, that's glued. We got a tube of glue we got to throw away. And all these caps are glued and ready for soil in there. That is step up, ramp replaced, 2 steps in, ramp replaced. And that is that. Completely and utterly finished. The final touches, some black granite going in. Beautiful. That's it, we're done. Thanks StonePlace for having me out.